Welcome to InsideTips channel. Today I will show you how to get VidIQ Enterprise, Booster or other versions for free. Sounds great? Awesome! Let's start this tutorial and jump into Google Chrome first. And on google.com, in this search bar, we need to type VidIQ extension for Chrome. But first, you need to look at my extensions here, and I don't have VidIQ icon here, so we need to install it. And on the results page, you will have this link, chrome.google.com, VidIQ Vision for YouTube, Google Chrome. Let's click on this, and now you see this blue button, Add to Chrome. But first, let's see additional information. This version, it's 3.5.3, was updated 4 days ago, January 9, 2020. Maybe when you see this video, probably will not work if you see after, I don't know, 2 years or 1 year. But in the future, for a couple of months, this will be okay and will be good to make this tutorial. But I don't know, maybe in the future this tutorial will not work, but for now let's jump into this tutorial and add this extension to Chrome, and let's magic happen. Now I have VidIQ and I'm on YouTube. To see all of the information, you need to create an account to VidIQ. You have this icon here, and you need to put the email and the password. If you don't have an account already, you need to create one. So let me text my information here. Login, and I'm in. Now we need to see that information, so let's reload this page. We have this VidIQ search panel and keywords and all these stuffs. I'm here too. But yeah, you need to upgrade now for other versions to see these things over here. So what we need to do to enable this, I will show you right now. Let's minimize this browser, Google Chrome, and go to this PC, local disk, users, InsideTips is my user for this computer. Your will be other. And now I will show you something. If you don't wanna make this like me, you need to go on view and click on this hidden items to see AppData. But for more security, to don't screw all this information and delete by mistake, I will choose to hide in these items and type in here AppData. Let's enter, and we are in this folder. We need to go now on local Google Chrome user data default, and we have here this folder called extensions. Now we are here and we need to see this date modified, and the last folder from this extension folder. It's this one. It's today and was created with 3 minutes ago. Let's enter in this folder, and we have our version from VidIQ 3.5.3. Go inside of this folder and you will see this bundle. You need to install Notepad++ to see these informations, and to do that, right click on here and edit with Notepad++. Since we are in this folder, in this notepad, we need to highlight all the text and copy. Ctrl A to highlight and Ctrl C to copy the entire text, and need to go on beautifier.io. Because our text is so ugly and we need to fix it. So paste in here, Ctrl V, wait some seconds, and after the process is done, click on beautify code or Ctrl Enter, but it's more safe to do this with your mouse. And now highlight again, Ctrl A, wait some seconds. After this is done, copy this text and paste into the notepad. And now we have this entire JavaScript code, and what we need to find, I think it's 6140, our line. I'm already at 76. Okay, so 6140. We have this line here, 6140, and we have this value with 0. What we need to do is to go up a little bit, and we will see the plans. First is Basic, Pro, Boss Lite, Boost, Boost Plus, Boost, I don't see this, Coach or something like that, and Enterprise. So the number are 0, 1 for Pro, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. If you want to have plan Enterprise, you will put the value 6 on the 6140 line. So for me will be 6. Maybe you want to have another plan. Let's save this folder, and we are done after this red floppy disk, I think, turns into black. Let's close this site too, and if we refresh this page, we still see these things, because we have one more thing to do. So will be the same. Okay, so what you need to do next is to delete this metadata from here, and we will have this folder. Now go on Google Chrome, click on these 3 dots, go on Settings, go on Extensions, and you will see this VidIQ Vision for YouTube, but we need to update this thing with our document. So go on developer mode here on the right corner, click on this, and you will see 3 links. Go on the first link, Load Unpacked, and now go to local C, users, InsideTips, my name, /AppData. Okay, local, go on Google Chrome user data default, and we have extensions and the last folder. So we have this folder inside of these unknown letters. Let's call this. Okay, so let's select this folder and open. Now you see the VidIQ turns into this thing over here. And now let's close this too, and we need to refresh our page from YouTube. And voila, you have VidIQ Enterprise. ANT is from Enterprise. So there you have it. If you have some problems in time, and yeah, let's check now. If you close Google Chrome and this thing too, let's refresh and enter again in Google Chrome. Maybe we will see some box in here with yes, with disable. But if you want to disable this, you can do this with the same thing, extension, and disable this developer mode by do this, and I think you will see that even if you try to do that thing. So yeah, and if in time this will not work properly, go again, settings, extensions, and unlock this developer mode again and make the same thing. So the same move, AppData, go to local, Google Chrome, user data default, and extensions, and you will have this. So if doesn't work in time, maybe, I don't know, you will restart your computer or shut down, and next day you will go again online, and this will have some problems. Do the same thing over and over again when you have some troubles. So this was the tutorial for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, leave some comments below. I want to know in time if this will work or not, and I will try to make another video to fix this issue. Thanks for watching. Till next time, don't forget, tips to know.